In this video today, guys, I'm going to show you a really good Clickbank method here that is perfect if you're a beginner or if you're already a good marketer already and you have some success. You'll probably like this one too. It's a free method, 100% free, with some pretty untapped traffic, I believe, for this, and really high traffic, which I'll show you that you can drive for free to your affiliate office or whatever. You can use Clickbank, you can use Digistore24.com, you can use JVZoo, you can use any affiliate product with this method that you want. It's all 100% free. There's no cost to do this at all. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and get started on this. So before we do though, for the people that are new to my videos, like I always like to do, don't want to leave you guys out. Anytime during the video, if you think about it, reach down there and click that little subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little notification bell there right beside it and get yourself subscribed and signed up for notifications when I upload new videos. Alright, so also anytime during the video, if you're getting some value out of it, please reach down there and give me a thumbs up if you would also. Alright, thanks guys. So let's go ahead and get started on this. Of course, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use Clickbank product today. I'm going to use a weight loss product, and I really like this one right here. I came to Clickbank. If you don't have an account at Clickbank, you guys know it's easy and free to sign up. Just click sign up and sign up for a free account. They're going to send you an email, get it verified, come back, get logged in, and then you want to come up here and click on Marketplace right here, guys, where you see my mouse is, and then that'll bring you over here to the Marketplace page. Now, I just clicked on the Find Products search box right here. I didn't use or type anything in there. I just clicked on it, and it gives you the most popular products on Clickbank. Now you can come down and you can certainly choose what you want from the categories over here. It can be any one you want or whatever. Same thing on Digistore24 or even JVZoo or whatever product. You can even use CPA products too, like CPA lead products to do this with as well. So, but nonetheless, I'm going to pick a product here, and I'm going to use, I like this Java burn right here. I really like this product right here. So if I click on it, and it opens it up, you can see the sales page here, guys. It's got a little video sales letter thing right here on it, and it's got pictures of the product. It's a really good looking landing page here, guys, sales page, and people can read this and find out about it and so on and so forth. So this is the product I'm going to use today. Once you have your product picked out, what you want to do is you want to click on it, which, by the way, guys, this has also got recurring billing. You might want to pick a product that has recurring billing on it, which means you'll just get paid again every month when they renew the subscription or the orders that they're doing. Every time they reorder, you get paid again, right? So it's ongoing, what you call passive income sort of type thing there, okay? So nonetheless, what we're going to do is click right here. We're going to click on promote, and that loads this up. Make sure that your account nickname is in the box right here, and you can put a tracking ID if you want, and then click generate to hop links. Gives you this old ugly Clickbank link here. So what we're going to do is click on copy right here, and then we're going to close that out. We're going to come over here to tiny URL. You can use bit.ly.com as well and paste our Clickbank link in there and then say make tiny URL, and it gives us this nice little link right here. All right, so we're going to leave that right there, and we will come back to get this in a little bit later here. So then what you want to do is you want to come over here now to this site. We want to click on here because we're going to use articles today, guys, and you can get free articles from here. I mean, there's also you can go to plrarticles.com or something like that. That's also free, and you can use any free article that you want. All right. Now, since I picked a weight loss product, the Java Burn, it's a weight loss product. What I'm going to do is search for weight loss right here. Now, I'm clicking on health and fitness here, and you see it gives us all these categories, these subcategories right here, guys. And right over here at the bottom right, you see it says weight loss right there, guys. Click on that, and that should gives us a whole bunch of articles that that are written having to do with weight loss. So let's see, we can come down here and, let's pick a good one here. It's looking for something like maybe tips, 5 ways to lose weight for you who love to eat. 5 tips to lose weight naturally. Let's go ahead and do this one, since it's sort of natural. With the Java Burn here is sort of a natural thing because it's like coffee. So we can go with this, and we'll use this here. I don't know what that's all about, but nonetheless, we see it's a pretty good article right here, guys. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use this article to create our marketing efforts here and put our link right in this article here. We don't have to change anything. We'll just copy it just as it is. And now you may want to leave in the article source down here so that that you can give credit back to the person that wrote this article back in 2018, it looks like here. All right, so once you get that, being that it's a weight loss product that I'm using in this example here today to show you this, I went over and did a search on Microsoft Bing here for before and after weight loss fat. All right, and it gave me these several pictures here. Now, what I did was, what I want you to notice here, you can use Google for this, or you can also try pixabay.com or pexels.com for free images there. You do want to get an image. Now, I'm going to choose a before and after. So what I did was I came here, I typed in what I want, and then I clicked on filter over here, and then I chose right here, free to share and use commercially, so that you avoid any kind of copyright strikes against you or anything like that, so you don't get in trouble for copyright. And then that's what I chose, and I brought down and I chose this picture right here, guys, and I've already downloaded it to my computer. Okay, this particular picture right here, it's pretty good before after of a couple, and you can see the difference in the weight loss, which will go good with our particular article thing here. Now, so what we want to do is how we're going to market this. We got everything together now. We're ready to go and start marketing, right? So you got your product, you got your tiny URL link, and you got your picture right here, and now it's time to market this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to this site right here, guys. You can see this. It's called Demilked. This site, don't be shy with this site because it gets a bunch of traffic, which I will show you here. But I want you to look right up here in the address bar, guys. You see where my mouse is right here. It's demilked.com. Kind of a funny name for a site that people post articles on, and a lot of these articles are people just posting here for fun. There not too many people are offering any kind of products or anything on here, which they do allow affiliate links on here, I believe. Now, you want to get signed in. I'm already signed in here. You can sign in with your Facebook, your Google Plus account, your Twitter account, and you can create a local account on this site and get signed up that way. I'm signed in with my Facebook account over here. And then what you want to do is, you can see all the different posts here that people are posting here. And what we're going to do is we're going to create right here. It's free to post on this site, guys. You see where my mouse is right here above my head. Create a post. But before we do this, I want to show you how great the traffic is on this site. So if I come up here and I click on my similar web thing right here, it comes out and it shows us. You see we're right here on demilk.com. And if I scroll up here, guys, have a look right here. Monthly visits to this site is 1.2 million people. But even better than that, if you look right up here, guys, if I scroll up here, you can see that most of that traffic is from the United States, the UK, Germany, India, and Canada. Guys, these are the top tier sites in the world. Okay, so you know that the traffic is quality here. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and create a post right here. Click on Create Post. It says loading up our awesome post. And it's 3 steps to go through here. And then step 1, of course, is to put in a picture. So what I'm going to do is I've already downloaded the picture I showed you. And right here it is. So I'm going to go ahead and upload this. And there is that picture right there. And it will get bigger as it goes. Then we want to click Next down here, guys. Now that brings us over here, and this is the title for our story. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back to our article, and we will just simply grab this title right here. All right, bring it back, and we'll paste it right in there. And then we're going to come back, and we're going to copy the article, okay? And just come right on down through here. And we will go ahead and copy that and leave the source there, so we give credit back to the person that wrote that article, right? And we'll just simply paste that right in there like that. Now we can go ahead, I'm going to take this out right here and take this right here out, and that will leave the article source, which is linked to the article right there. Now as we scroll up here, guys, you can see our article there. Now what we want to do is we want to come back, and we're going to get our affiliate link, right? So, but what we're going to do is we're going to create a couple of places in the article here. If I can make that a little bit bigger. Okay. Paste it. We're going to paste it down here, and in the middle of our article, we're going to say go capital letters here. Click here to lose weight faster than you can imagine safely. You can imagine, right? Imagine safely. All right, and then we'll just put a little thing there, and we're going to come back to tiny URL, and we're going to copy our link. Now, guys, like I always tell you, you want to test these links out to make sure it does what it's supposed to do, right? And it looks like it does. It comes back and starts that up and gets it going there. A little bit different video, but nonetheless, the page will show up there, and they'll see that same thing. So good. We're good to go there. Now, what we're going to do is come back to our article, right? And we're going to click and paste our affiliate link right there, guys. And then we're just going to copy this. And we're going to come back up into our article up here, about somewhere up in here. And we'll just put a couple of spaces there. And we'll paste that right in there just like that again. So we've got it two places in our article. You see that, guys? It's right there, and it's down here at the bottom as well. So we're pretty good to go there. Now what we want to do is we want to put some tags in here. Of course, we're going to type weight loss, lose fat, and then we'll just say lose weight, right? So in other words, when people type this into the search engine on this site right here, they'll be able to find your article. So you want some related tags to put there, you know. And I'll see, we're allowed. I don't know how many tags we're allowed there, but we'll check it out. How about fitness? Okay, so that should be good. Four or five tags in there, so that to help people find your article when they type these in about weight loss. And then the categories here, we can pick a category. So, of course, we're going to go with something related to, let's see if we find anything down here. Nothing directly related to what we're doing. How about people? Food. And I think we're allowed up to 3 here. How about, let's put it in like, and other. Alrighty. Yeah, we're only allowed 3 of those for food, other, and people. So that'll help also as well there. Now, you can see that our picture is right here. We want to click right here. We can add a title. It's optional. We don't have to do that, and I'm not going to do it. We're just going to click right here. And you see this is your featured image. So you want to make it the featured image on the article. And you can add a picture description down here as well, title and description, but we're just going to leave that go, guys. And you see that's there, and then all it is, and it matter at that point, guys, when you got your article, you saw how easy that was to do that. Once you got your article, guys, then it's just a matter of clicking the next button right here, and then you can see the article right here. Pretty good, right? And then click on finish down here, and that should submit it. And after that, your article will be submitted, and it'll be reviewed and posted on the site. And you can see right here, it's thank you. They're saying right here, and it's been submission, and it will be reviewed by the editors and posted on the site. And guys, that's just it. You just want to do it over and over and over. And I do many, many, many different products. You don't have to stick to weight loss. You can do it in any niche that you want. And do it. The more you do it, this is affiliate marketing, and obviously the more you post, the more opportunity that you're going to have to make money with this, okay? Alrighty, guys. Well, that's the video I had for you today. If you like this method and it's good for you, if you're a beginner or a seasoned marketer, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Click the notification bell also. Leave any comments that you might have or whatever, and questions down in the comment section below there. Also, and I want you to see my free video on high-ticket affiliate marketing, where you can make thousands of dollars $1,000 in one day's possibility. So reach down there in the top of my description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and see my free video presentation on high ticket affiliate marketing. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. And don't forget to watch the videos that are popping up here also that'll help you make money online. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. And you guys take care and have a great day. Bye-bye now.